So, ladies and gentlemen, here's my tutorial for how to use other selection tools. I have the document open that you've all pretty much done, where you've added text and then you added this clownfish using the magic wand where you selected inverse. Over here on the right, we have the backgrounds. We have different layers that are set up here. You can click on these layers and you can do things like transparency, you can delete, you can do a number of things. I've also opened up this other tropical fish. Like I did in class yesterday, you're going to choose right here. It is called the Lasso. I am going to roughly select this. I'm not going to go crazy. I'm going to roughly select this. When I am finished, I'm going to go Command C and copy. And I'm going to go over to here and Command V. I'm going to paste. Notice it pasted another layer. Again, the secret of Photoshop. Please remember, whatever layer you're on is the one that you will work on. I'm going to now zoom in. And aside from using the lasso, I'm going to use the lasso again. And I'm going to do a piece at a time. All right, I'm going to select the parts that I don't need, hit delete on the keyboard, and it will disappear. But it does get a little hard to see sometimes, so what I did yesterday in class is down here at the plus sign, I clicked it and I added a new empty layer. Now it's all the way up here. This is white, my foreground. With my paint bucket, I'm going to click anywhere on the screen. I just filled that white. Now again, this is the beauty of Photoshop. It works in layers. I'm going to move that layer behind everything. Now I can go back to my fish and work on my fish. It's a little rough here. What I had you do yesterday was take the blur tool. When you click the blur tool, there are certain brushes up here. You can change sizes, you can change hardness, you can change strength. I'm just doing that and then just blurring out a little to smooth the edge. And again, ladies and gentlemen, this becomes a very tedious operation. I'm doing the same thing here. I'm using my lasso to lasso this. I'm deleting. I got a few marks left that I want to disappear. I showed you yesterday, you can use your eraser. Again, you can come up here and choose hardened eraser, soft eraser, whatever you choose. And I'm just clicking a little at a time, just to remove what I don't want. And slowly but surely, you will do this. You can hide by this, hide the white layer. And now it's starting to take shape. You will do this on the entire thing until you have cut it out, cleaned it up. Then you can click on it, scale it, and do whatever you choose to do. This is how we use our lasso tool, our eraser, and our blur tool until we get it the way we want it. Remembering to be on the layer that you choose to work on.